Okay, guys, so we're looking at week one. Week one in this course, you are going to do your course agreement quiz. It's a real quick true or false quiz. That is your buy-in, okay? You need to do this to stay in the course. It says, hey, I've read the syllabus, I've met the instructor, I know my expectations, what I need to do and my role as a student in this class, and I'm ready to go. So you're going to pick true. That's the right answer, okay? If you choose not to and there's a problem and you pick false, and first it's going to give you a 0, and second I'm going to have to pull you aside, email you, talk to you on the phone, and be like, what's going on here? If you want to drop the course after the first week because it's not what you want, you're not excited about it, whatever, it's your responsibility, not mine, okay? But if you say true to the course agreement, it's your buy-in, you're ready to go. That's all you have as far as an assignment due this week. The other thing you have are your weekly readings, okay? So you need to get in and start reading these. You need to do this before our class that week. So this is due September 4th. We're going to discuss it in class starting September 5th and on, all right? So some of these are articles, Theories of Identity and Self, Overview of Mexican Americans, Latino Statistics, and then there's some TED Talks and some videos that are really good that help blend what we're going to be talking about. It's a great starter, okay? We have to understand what, Mexican American is and why it's important to study it, and why in American culture it's more than just Mexican American. It's Latino, it's Latinx, it's Hispanic. There's all these different ways of talking about the same group of people. And so we need to know what all of that means. So that's what we're going to talk about, or that's what y'all are going to learn about this week. This is a study about genial terms. So basically, terms we use for people based on where they come from, and what society has determined is accurate. Here's some articles, understanding labels, understanding terms. We know that right now identity is important. So if I call you a Mexican American and that is not how you identify, maybe you're actually a Cuban American, that would be a little bit insensitive of me to just lump you in because I'm making an assumption about you. And so we need to know all these different labels that are thrown out there and why they're important. So that's what you're going to be reading about this week, as well as how this pertains to identity and your version of self, okay? So you're going to read this, and then you're going to come into class, and I'm going to discuss it further with you and help you understand it a little bit more, okay? So that's what you're doing for week one. Course agreement quiz, and then go ahead and get those readings in, all right? That way we can have a great first week of class. It's technically the second week of class, if that makes sense, because that week 0's in there, but it's our first week of work, okay, of studying, of learning. So this is what I expect of you out of week one, your quiz and your readings, okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know.